Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these little pouches. And you can use it to attach your keys, you can attach a strap. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook, US H8. Start with a slip knot. Work a foundation chain that is any length. Slip stitch in the second stitch from the hook. And in the next 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Single crochet in each remaining stitch, but slip stitch in the last 5 stitches. So single crochet in each stitch up to that last 5. Okay, I slip stitched in these first 5, then I've single crocheted all the way down. I have 5 remaining stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to slip stitch in those 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So slip stitches here and slip stitches there. Chain 1 and turn. Slip stitch in the first 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now working in the front side of the stitch only, single crochet in each stitch across the row. In the front loop of the stitch only, single crochet in each stitch all the way across, but we're going to slip stitch in those last stitches. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to slip stitch in those stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you're just going to keep repeating this row over and over. So chain 1 and turn. Slip stitch in 5 stitches. 1. I'm only working in the front loop. 2, 3, 4, 5. And now single crochet all the way across, working only in the front loop. All the way across, slip stitch in the last 5 stitches. Okay, I finished that row. You're just going to keep repeating that row over and over until you have a piece that looks like this. And you're going to fold this over like that. And now you're going to thread a yarn into a needle and hold the 2 sides together and match the stitches and sew all the way down the side. like that. And sew the other side as well. And there I have both sides sewn up. So now I'm going to sew a little button on the front, and I'm going to crochet a buttonhole. So I'm going to fold it in half just to find my center, attach my yarn, lock it in by taking one stitch with both the yarn end and the yarn, and I'm going to crochet a chain. Like that, long enough so that it will accommodate the button, and then slip stitch in the same stitch, and fasten off. And then with the needle, weave these yarn ends back and forth inside into the finished work. And I sewed the button on. Now I can button the little pouch. And you could use it just like this in a larger bag. Or you could attach one of these key rings, like that. Or you could even attach a strap. Like that. And you could attach your keys to this. And that's how easy it is to crochet these little pouches. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.